Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. As you know, in previous class, we have read this lesson, 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy. I hope all of you have understood. Today, we'll discuss question answers. The first question, what were the 3 questions that occurred in The King? We have already discussed so many times, what are the 3 questions? The 3 questions were, what is the right time for every action? What are the most necessary people? And the third one, what is the most important thing to do? I hope all of you clear. Now the second question, why did the king go to the wise hermit? This is the first part of the question. The king went to the wise hermit because he wanted to know the answer of these 3 questions from hermit. So that's why he went there and want know the answer of this question. Second part of this question, why did he go there alone and dressed like a commoner? He went there alone because he had listened that hermit meets only common people. The king thought that if he went to the hermit with his bodyguards, he will recognize him. So he went there alone and dressed like a common person. I hope all of you clear. Now the third question, who was the bearded man who came running from the woods? Again, 2 parts are there. Who was the bearded man? The bearded man who came running from the wood was an enemy of the king who wanted to kill the king. The second part, how had he got wounded? He had got wounded because on the way the bodyguard of the king recognized the man and wounded him. Now the fourth question is, how did digging of bed for the hermit save the king's life? How this digging of beds protect his life? So if king had not pitied the hermit's weakness and had not dug those beds for him and gone his way, that man would have attacked the king and he would have repented for not having stayed with the hermit. I hope all of you clear these 4 questions. Now we'll discuss HOTS part. What do you mean by HOTS? The HOTS full form is their high order thinking skill. So this is the question. Briefly explain the answer the king got to his 3 questions. Making these answers your base, comment on the importance of present moment in our life. So we have to write down this question in about 80 to 100 words. What is the value of, what is the importance of present moment in our life? As you know, the present moment is really very important in our life. As a famous proverb says, time and tide wait for now. Similarly, we should know we should live in past or future, rather we should make maximum use of present time. In the reference of king's story or in the context of the kings, the present moment play an important role. Instead of digging up the bed, if the king would have gone, he would have surely been attacked by the bearded man. Then he would have repented for not having stayed with the hermit. So for the king, the right time was when he was digging the beds for the hermit. Secondly, when the wounded man was bandaged by the king, it was the most important work for him because he was doing good to a needy one. Like this, the king could get the answer of remaining 2 questions. So summing up, we can say that the right time is, again we have to repeat these 3 questions. We can say that the right time is the present time. Important person is one with whom we are at that particular moment of time, and the important work is to do good to all. I hope all of you clear these answers and you have to revise these question answers at home. Rest of the part, life skill, values and writing skill, tomorrow we will discuss in next class. Thank you.